What if the first 3 minutes of your morning were quietly destroying your energy, your blood flow, and your manhood, without you even realizing it? No hype. No pills. Just a simple, science-backed shift you can start tomorrow. I'm Dr. Senior Men's Health, and for over 15 years, I've helped men in their 60s, 70s, and even their 80s, reignite strength, restore performance, and reclaim confidence naturally. And here's the part no one talks about. It's not just about testosterone. And it's not just your age. Harvard research shows over 70% of performance issues in older men are caused by one silent factor: poor circulation, especially down there. The good news? You can start turning that around, before you even brush your teeth. And hey, if this message speaks to you, if you care about staying sharp, energized, and confident as you age, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button now. That one click tells us we're reaching the right men who take action, not chances. Plus, you won't miss any of the tools we drop each week to keep your edge strong. Let me ask you something. What's the first thing you do when you wake up? Grab your phone? Skip water? Rush into the day? Those small habits may seem harmless, but they tighten your blood vessels. They thicken your blood. And they slowly drain the very thing that makes you feel alive as a man. Well, with just 3 intentional minutes each morning, you can begin restoring that power, no matter your age. Stick with me, because once you understand how this works, you'll never start your mornings the same again. Here's what you came for. The manhood you remember? Step 1, hydrate immediately. Overnight, your blood thickens. That thick blood struggles to flow, especially down there. Drink 12 to 16 ounces of room temperature water the moment you wake up. This thins the blood and jumpstarts circulation. Step 2, activate pelvic flow. While standing, do 30 seconds of slow, deep diaphragmatic breathing, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Tighten your glutes and engage your lower core as you breathe. This pumps fresh blood to your lower region and signals your nervous system to wake up. Step 3, wake your feet. Your feet drive circulation. Do 60 seconds of foot pumps or calf raises, simple but powerful. It opens the lower body highway for blood to move freely to your vital organs. That's it. 3 steps. 3 minutes. And done consistently, it can bring your manhood back to life. Now, let me quickly break down why this works, especially for men in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s. Step 1, hydration. When you wake up, your blood is thicker, your body's been losing water through breathing, sweating, even urinating overnight. Thicker blood means slower circulation, especially to the smallest, most sensitive blood vessels, the ones responsible for erections, brain clarity, and muscle energy. By drinking water first thing, you thin the blood, lower early morning cortisol, and support your heart's ability to push blood exactly where it needs to go. And here's what's powerful. According to a 2021 study published in the Journal of Urology, men who improved their morning hydration and circulation routine experienced a 58% improvement in erectile function within just 2 weeks, without medication. Step 2, pelvic activation with deep breathing. This isn't just about air, this is nervous system reset. You're stimulating the vagus nerve, which runs through your pelvis and controls erection response, digestion, even testosterone signaling. And when you squeeze the glutes and lower abs while breathing, you're waking up the deep pelvic floor muscles, the ones that naturally support blood flow down there. Step 3, foot movement. Simple calf raises or foot pumps activate your second heart. That's what your calves are called because they pump blood back upward through the lower body. This movement sends fresh, oxygen-rich blood flowing from your feet, through your legs, up into your pelvis and organs, fully recharging your masculine system before your day even begins. So what you've just done in 3 minutes is this: rehydrated and thinned the blood, activated deep circulation and nerve signaling, sent power back to your lower body, where confidence starts. And the best part, you don't need a gym, a pill, or permission. Just you, your body, and a decision to take control, starting tomorrow morning. Now, I know what you're thinking. How soon will I feel the difference? For most men, the changes are subtle at first. Within the first 3 to 5 days, you may notice more consistent morning wood, better mental clarity, a warmer sensation in your hands, feet, and pelvic area. Give it 7 to 10 days, and things begin to shift deeper. More energy in the mornings. More responsiveness during intimacy. And a quiet sense of confidence, like your body is finally working with you again, not against you. The key is consistency, not perfection. 3 minutes a day, done right, stacks results that can shift your health, hormones, and blood flow more than any pill ever will. But here's the truth. Most men will hear this and do nothing. They'll go back to the same old habits and wonder why they feel more invisible with each passing year. But not you. You're still watching, and that tells me something. You're ready to fight back. You're ready to take control, without waiting for permission. If you've gone this far, that means you're still watching. Let's get a click on that subscribe button. That one click ensures this video is reaching the right men. Men who refuse to fade quietly. Men who want to feel alive again. So here's what I want you to do. Commit to this 3-minute ritual every morning for the next 7 days. Then come back to this video and drop a comment saying, "I'm back, and I feel it." I'll be waiting for you. Because this isn't just about circulation. It's about reclaiming the fire that made you feel like a man. So here's what I want you to remember. 3 minutes. Every morning. To take back your blood flow. To take back your confidence. To take back your power. You don't have to feel invisible anymore. Not in your marriage. Not in your mind. Not in your own body. The switch is already inside you. This ritual is just how you flip it back on. If this message hit home, type "I'm ready" in the comments and I'll know you're not just watching. You're acting. Hit the like button so this reaches more men who need it. Subscribe if you haven't already and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a tool that could change your life. Stay consistent. Stay powerful. And I'll see you in the next one.